Hi friends, welcome to Brave Solution Times. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம வீடியோவில் எக்ஸசைஸ் 1.4 9th sum பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாமா? Ninth sum. If the function f is defined by f of x is equal to x plus 2 and they have given an interval 2x minus 1 and they have given the interval for these values, find the values f of 3, f of 0, f of minus 1.5 and f of 2 plus f of minus 2. So we have to find the values for these functions, and they have given the function which are defined in three manner with the appropriate intervals. So first let's mark the interval. So first they have given us x is greater than 1. X is greater than 1, there is no equal sign, right? So you have to put a open interval. So this is our open interval and this will be our closed interval. So this is open and this is our closed interval. Okay, so here it's no they have not given equal sign, so you have to use this interval which is open bracket. So this is what is this? It's greater than 1, right? So you have to draw it like this. Since it's greater than 1, it can be anything like 2, 3, 4, 5. So anything greater than 1. So next interval is between minus 1 less than equal to x less than equal to 1. Which means here you can see that equal sign, right? So that you have to include 1. So from 1, so it will be a closed bracket since there is an equal sign here. It's less than equal to. So you have to use this bracket. So from 1 to minus 1, so here it's minus 1, so you have to do it like this. So this is our first interval, this is our second interval, and the final interval is minus 1, which is less than, there is no equal sign, so you have to use this interval. So from minus 1 there it will be an open bracket to minus 3. So here it will be again an open bracket since it's since there is no equal sign. Okay, so now let's start doing the first one, which is f of 3. So f of 3, here you can see which is x is equal to 3, right? So here it will be f of x, in the place of x there is 3, so you can call it as x is equal to 3. So here you can see x is equal to, so since x is equal to 3, we have to find where is 3 here. So here it's 3 and this is the first interval, so we have to use x plus 2. So f of x is equal to x plus 2. So we have to find what is f of 3. So f of 3, so we are replacing x by 3. So here too we have to replace x by 3. So 3 plus 2 will be equal to 5. So first thing we have found that f of 3 is equal to 5. So let's see our second subdivision, which is f of 0. So second subdivision, f of 0, so which means x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 is in second interval. So what is our second interval? It's 2, right? So our second interval is f of x is equal to 2. So here in the place of x you have to replace 0. So f of 0 will be equal to 2. So we have found that f of 0 is equal to 2, right? So the third thing is f of minus 1.5. So which means x is equal to minus 1.5. So we have to find where this minus 1.5 is in this number line. So here it's minus 1 and here it's minus 2 and the middle will be minus 1.5. Okay, so this is in the third interval. So we have to use the third function, which is x minus 1. So f of x will be x minus 1. So in the place of x we have to replace minus 1.5, which is equal to in the place of x we are replacing minus 1.5 minus 1, which is nothing but minus 2.5. So we have found that f of minus 1.5 is equal to minus 2.5. So then our fourth subdivision will be f of 2 plus f of minus 2. So first we have to find what is f of 2. So it means x is equal to 2. So we have to find where is x equal to 2 in our number line. So x is equal to 2 in the first interval. So here it's 2. So it's in the first interval. So we have to use this first function, which is x plus 2. So f of x will be equal to x plus 2. So in the place of x you have to replace 2. So f of 2 is equal to 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. So f of 2 is equal to 4. Then it's f of minus 2. So f of minus 2 we have to find, that is x is equal to minus 2. So we have to find where x equal to minus 2 in the number line. So minus 2 is here in the third interval. So here it is minus 2, it's in the third interval. So if it's in the third interval, we have to use x minus 1. So f of x will be x minus 1. So we have to replace minus 2 in the place of x. So f of minus 2 equal to minus 2 minus 1, which is equal to minus 3. So f of minus 2 is equal to minus 3. So we have found this, and what's the question? F of 2 plus f of minus 2 is equal to, here f of 2 is 4 and f of minus 2 is minus 3. So minus 3, it will be 1. So therefore our fourth answer, which is f of 2 plus f of minus 2 is equal to 1. Now let me answer to the question which I have asked in my previous video. Who is the father of Indian mathematics? The answer is Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was an extraordinary teacher and a scholar who had immense knowledge about mathematics and astronomy. He lived around 476 AD to 550 AD. He proved that sun is located at the center of the solar system and all planets revolve around it. He also detected that the earth is round in shape and rotates along its own axis, which forms the existence of day and night. He also said that the moon has no light and shines because it reflects light from the sun. Aryabhatta contributed greatly to the field of mathematics. Some of his famous discoveries were discovery of algebraic identities, trigonometrical function, the value of pi, place value system, and etc. In conclusion, Aryabhatta's approximation in the field of astronomy were quite accurate. Although we know nothing about the personal history of Aryabhatta, he was a genius who continues to baffle the mathematicians even to this day. Okay guys, now let's see what's today's Q&A question. Who is the prince of Indian mathematics? I repeat it. Who is the prince of Indian mathematics? If you know the answer to this question, please comment your answers in the comment box and I will answer to this question in my next video. So keep checking my video. So that's it for this video guys. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. And நீங்க இன்னும் என் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணலனா மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க. See you in the next video. Bye.